The former governor of Kogi State, His Excellency Governor Yahaya Bello, wrote a letter to the Federal High Court requesting for his case to be tried in Kogi State. The former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, wrote a letter to the Federal High Court judge requesting that he would prefer his case to be tried in Kogi State. So, the governor, Yahaya Bello, was scheduled to have been arraigned before the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja, but he has refused, ignored, or neglected to make himself available before the court for the arraignment, before the call for the transfer of his case to be held or tried in the state. Bello rather chose to write a letter requesting his case to be transferred to the Federal High Court sitting in Lokoja Judicial Division to hear and determine his case.
Sorry.
According to the letter, he is contesting that Lokoja or Kogi State has the territorial jurisdiction to hear the matter, since the allegation bordering the issue of money laundering, breach of trust, and the misappropriation of funds is an issue that took place in Kogi State. Therefore, Kogi State should have territorial jurisdiction to hear and determine the matter. As it happens, na so we talk am, and as we talk am, na so it happens.
Continue.
Though the said letter was served at the Chief Judge's chambers in Abuja, and the letter is yet to be replied by the office of the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court in Abuja after the receipt of the said letter. As we talk am, na so it happens, and as it happens, na so we talk am. Nigeria as a whole is such a wonderful country. It is a country that anyone can do and do whatever he wants to do and do away with it. Because someone who has not answered the call of the court, who has not even honored the presence of the court, who has not even obeyed the order of the court that have made severally that he should appear before the court, is asking the same court to do something for him.
Not be juju be that.
What if the court transferred the case and that particular order made by the court is not obeyed by the person whom the court directs to obey, to carry out the instruction? The court has been requesting you to appear before him. The court has been directing that you should appear before him. It's just a mere allegation. It is just for you to appear in court, and it's either you accept the allegation or you deny the allegation. It is just mere allegation before the court, and they are requesting your presence. You feel so big that you cannot appear before the court, but you are telling the court to carry out an act for you. So you are bigger than the court. So there is someone in the country that is bigger than the whole arms of government, the judiciary. Remember, you are just a former governor. You are not the governor again. And I'm so surprised that if EFCC could travel from Abuja, cross Lokoja and other 5-6 states to Lagos to pick Bobrisky, to pick Cubana chief priest, then someone that is in Kogi State. They couldn't pick him and bring him before the court.
Apostle, we have
So
this.
those that are having interaction with him and is sending to court and other things to submit the letter doesn't mean that they don't know his whereabouts.
This man.
Or is he not attached with any security agency? There was a time that there was a news that the IG made an order that all the police men that is attached to him should be withdrawn. Why won't you order the police that is attached to him to bring him? So Nigeria is just playing politics with everything. Before you know, the matter will die off.
It is smoky.
So now it's requesting that the matter should be transferred administratively from Abuja to Lokoja. That Lokoja has territorial jurisdiction.
Funke.
What they are saying about territorial jurisdiction is that Lokoja or Kogi State is the place where the alleged offense is deemed to have happened. Now knowing that the Federal High Court is just one, Federal High Court can sit anywhere. The Federal High Court sitting in Lokoja is one and the same with the one sitting in Abuja, though the issue of territorial jurisdiction can be raised anyway. But when you said Lokoja is a territorial jurisdiction, the school that is in receipt of that money, is it in Lokoja? The school that is in receipt of that money is in Abuja. So it means that the offense, the purported offense, is alleged to have been committed in Abuja. So that is what we are looking at. Though the other charges like breach of trust and misappropriation of public fund can say to have been committed in Kogi State. But the issue bordering on money laundering, because the school which the money was paid into the account to some point that the said sum was returned to the Kogi State government account is deemed to have been in Abuja. So in that situation, Abuja also will have the territorial jurisdiction to hear your matter.
Apostle, we hear of this.
So what are you saying? And even if you are challenging the jurisdiction of the court, what you need to do is that you should appear before that court. Because as it is now in the face of the court, you are not in existence. For the court to say that you are in existence, appear before the court, let the court see you, then you make your application. Nigeria is a very funny country. If actually the president wants the prosecution of the former governor of Kogi State, it's very simple for him to get him into the track. What you need to do is that, okay, just create a ministry and appoint him as the minister, invite him to the National Assembly for screening. In that situation, he make himself available. Then the security agency will be able to have hold of him and make him to appear before the court for his trial. Though the matter has been adjourned for his arraignment, despite the fact that he didn't make himself available for arraignment as was scheduled for today. As it happens, na so we talk am, and as we talk am, na so it happens. Don't go away. Join us on our subsequent bulletin. I still remain your host, Triple A on Hot TV. Don't go away.